what's up guys, and welcome to this video. And in this video I want to show you the Mercedes-Me app, how does it work. And as you can see, the MBUX is already ready. So yeah, I want to show you how this app works. And this is the logo. Let's launch the app. So as you can see, this is the welcome screen. You can see the number plate, but I put here my name for a security reason. Here you can see the odometer reading, and then you have a concierge service, the same as here on Mercedes-Me. So you can call it from the phone. So yeah, if you want to see additional features, then you need to either tap on each feature, or you can select here, see all. So you can see a next service, fuel level. If it's locked, if a vehicle is locked, then a tire pressure, starter of the battery, then your last trip, last journey, brake linings, brake fluid, if doors are closed, or if trunk is closed, windows closed, coolant is normal, and washer fluid normal, parking brake is on. So for example, if I let me put my phone here, and I will open a window. So now if I refresh this vehicle status by scrolling like this, then I can see that windows are open. And the same happens if I open the door. Let me put my wallet here. So I didn't even need to refresh, and as you can see, doors are open in the app. So yeah, if I close doors, it need to be refreshed. So doors are now closed. If I close the window, so not working. I need to press the ignition. Yeah, so now it's closed, and also it shows me that the vehicle is unlocked. So yeah, if I refresh, if I close Windows and refresh the app, now it shows that windows are closed. So yeah, it refreshes automatically, but you need to wait like half a minute or so. So yeah, vehicle is now unlocked. So if you see here an arrow, it means that it have like a additional screen. So if you tap here, then you can see a screen like this, how much percent and how big is your range. Depends on your last fuel consumption, it will calculate your range. Then vehicle, if it's unlocked, so you can lock the vehicle with the phone anywhere in the world. So yeah, that's a great feature. And next, tire pressure. So you can check tire pressure if you need to, yeah, if you want to check it. So as you can see here in the fuel filter cap, you can see recommended tire pressure. So yeah, if it's too low, then also it will show you on the screen. Okay, so next, starter battery, it just shows that it's fine, charged. Trips, you can see your last trip. This is only 2 kilometers and it was uphill, so that's why it's 10 liters per 100 kilometers. And yeah, it was like 5-minute journey for me. So if you can see here, and the trip from reset, so everything I drove from the beginning is 6.1 liters, and this is distance, time, and average speed. And then you can see your last journey. So you have from reset, last journey, and from start. So you have 3 dots here, and you can check all the stats. So yeah, this is without arrow, so you just see it if it's okay, if it's like not okay. It's highlighted with red color. So yeah, you can lock the vehicle with the app. So I'm going to show you now how it can be done. It's a little bit windy outside, so sorry for that. So if I press this and hold it, then I can, please keep holding, I can lock the vehicle. So as you can see, it's locking because the mirrors are folding. So I can also unlock the car. Request is sent, and I can also unlock the car. So I don't even need a key, just for I have also here a security code, which I'm going to put now. So yeah, as you can see, I can unlock the car just with the phone. I think this is worth it to have this app. Also, this is like additional features. I paid 39 euros for 1 year for this service. So also you have here location, so you can see where your car is located on the map, and the blue dot is you. And if you forgot your car, then you can show the pedestrian navigation to the car. For example, if you are in a new car park in some mall, then you can have a pedestrian navigation to your car. So also you can see more additional features in the web browser of the Mercedes-Me. Also, this location costed 39 euros for 1 year. So check your local Mercedes-Me web page for prices. Yeah, I think it's worth it, and I like this app because it works really good. So yeah, you have commute alerts. You can set if you leave work based on traffic conditions. I'm going to push because there is my address. And security notification, last mile notification, sent address via Bluetooth, suggestion destination. So yeah, if you have more Mercedes cars, vehicles, then you can add them here and have the same for multiple cars. So this is this car icon. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you have the Mercedes, to have this app. Also, if you have older Mercedes car, you can just have an adapter from Mercedes, and you can have this too. So you don't need to have like a 2018 car. You can have an older car, and with adapter it will work also. So guys, thanks for watching, and that's it for this video. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a like. If you can, share it with your friends. And if you have any more questions about the Mercedes-Me app, leave them in the comment section down below. I have a lot of new car video ideas, so make sure you are subscribed. And if you have, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any new videos. So guys, that's all for this video, and as always, have a great day.